Hello everyone. This will be a tutorial video for Autopsy software. It's used for forensic analysis and creating an image of any pen drive or any storage device. Okay, so first let's start the software then. Okay, uh, this is its first interface when you open it. Then we go to new case. We put here some case name, whatever it is, and we assign a base directory for this file. It will create a file where the image will store. Okay, so select it. Okay, next, then we give a case number, name, whatever you like, or whatever name of the examiner. Okay, and then number of the examiner. Okay, and tap the finish. Now it will create a database to store the data of that imaging or extraction. Okay, it's created. Okay, now we add data to create image. We have to add data to create image. Okay, we click next. These are all the options that we have here, but we generally go for local disk image because any pen drive or any hard disk you are adding to your system and you want to create a image of that external device, you have to go for the local disk image, and these are for different uh, things. So uh, let's do next. Then their local disk, you have to give local disk path, that is the hard disk I have uh, connected to my device. So let's select it. Okay, fine, then go to the next, and these are the, you can select or deselect whatever you want to extract or whatever you want to create image. If you don't want to create anything, you want any modification, you can do here. You can select deselect here. Okay, go to next. That's all. It's now creating the image file and it will store. Okay, so as you can see, data has been stored to the local database that we already created that time. Okay, so now let's finish it, and you can see analyzer. Okay, iOS analyzer, so it's analyzing all the data that has been ex extracted. Okay, you can see the data file type. Okay, by extraction, images, you can see all these things here, anything, database, archive, everything. Okay, that's all the Autopsy software. As you can see, it's still analyzing the data. Okay, OS information, file system, deleted files, all this. Okay, so after finishing this analyzing process, we can go to the generate report, and we can generate a report of that extraction and whatever the analysis is. So the generating report should be like in which format we want to generate report. These are the formats, okay, like Excel format or file format or HTML format, in which format we want the report. Let's say we will take HTML, okay, we'll take the header name, okay, post name, then go to the next. There's the file where you want to, okay, check all. Then you click the next, and then these are like what type of data report we want. Okay, data source uses encryption suspected, if we want keyword hits, uh, all these things are here. Which type metadata is there, so which type of data we want. So you can click here, and as let's say as okay, when I click the finish, it will start generating a report. Okay,